Thank you for choosing Carysil granite kitchen sinks. So when I started using my Carysil sink, I noticed it was starting to show stains and limescale depositions. I'm here to tell you that these problems are completely normal and easily fixable. As you know, Carysil sinks are made up of 80% quartz minerals, and this causes some common problems. 1. Cement stains, caused by clumsy installation. 2. Limescale deposition. And 3. There's of course the food stains, the usual culprits, coffee, turmeric, and red wine. In no time, we'll have that sink looking like it was brand new. It just needs a little TLC, which is exactly what the Carysil Granite Sink Care Kit is. The Granite Sink Care Kit contains 4 items: a descaler, an easy care spray, a stain remover, and a magic eraser. So let's get started. To remove the limescale deposition, we will use the Carysil descaler. Pour the descaler on those nasty spots and leave it for 10 minutes. Now use the Carysil magic eraser to wipe the spots away. The stains are gone, just like magic.
Now for those food stains. Pour the stain remover on the affected area.
Wait for 5 to 10 minutes. Then use your magic eraser to wipe it and wash it properly with water. And voila! The stains are gone. It's as easy as that. And for the final coat of love, I will apply Carysil Easy Clear. This helps you maintain your sink against all those food stains and limescale deposition. Remember to spray it only on a clean and dry sink. Use this fortnightly to keep your sink looking brand new. I don't think that sink has ever looked better. So go out there and get yourself a Carysil Granite Sink Care Kit.